Hello from Grills Badplats and Saturday cycling adventure. It took me exactly 30 kilometers to reach this beach with my bicycle, and it took me 1 hour and 9 minutes to do so. And it's a wonderful Saturday here, 17th of June. Super warm today, 27 degrees Celsius in the air, and feels like temperature of 23 degrees. And this beach is the smaller one and baby brother of the other beach that's very close. That's called Grislinge, just on the other side behind the port. But this one I have never visited before, so I thought let's visit this one first, and the bigger one we can visit another day. And this is beach day number 54, so let's take a swim here and enjoy, because believe me, it is hot. For Sweden terms, it is hot. So it is quite busy today on the beach, and it is a sandy beach, of course, out on the Baltic Sea. The water is crystal clear, and actually it's warm. This beach is located in municipality of Värmdö. That's practically out on the sea. And yes, you can see the beach behind me. Not very big, but convenient. And much less populated compared to Grislinge house spot. That's just 200 meters on the other side. All right, are we ready for the dive today? I am, because it's super warm and I'm really looking forward to the dip. All right, let's go down in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I went in too deep there. It took me ages to get up out of the water. But yeah, summer in full swing here in Stockholm. It's beautiful. Yes. Oh, what a wonderful Saturday. So enjoy a bit on the side of the sandy beach here called Grills Badplats. It's very close to the main road, so that's one bad side, but I don't hear the cars that much. So in that sense, the other beach, the bigger one, Grislinge, that we're gonna visit another day, it's a bit better, but I saw it from the road, it was super crowded. So I opted for this one, the smaller one. And it gets very deep, very fast. I'm not even 20 meters from the shore. So it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We have sun mixed with some clouds today. And tomorrow the forecast says rain. And it hasn't rained here in Sweden since mid-May, so almost a month. So there is a need for rain, of course. So it's going to be good, but the temperature will drop a bit, but that's okay. And tonight I'm going to a concert on the artist called The Weekend in Tele2 Arena with a friend. So looking forward to that one as well. So I can't stay too long today on the sea. I need to head back home and relax a bit and gather energy for tonight's concert. So it's gonna be awesome. Ah, weekends are the best, aren't they? Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, that's a wrap for this vlog today. And yes, make sure to tune in tomorrow for yet another fantastic beach location on the channel Beach Adventures with Chris. Woohoo!